Hey boaters, Cleet Galasso here from Lighthouse Marine Engine Parts. And this time of the year, we're all trying to get our boats ready for spring launch. And people always ask me, what's the best wax to use? Well, I recommend Gary's Royal Satin. It's a one-step wax, it's a cleaner wax, and it'll give you a shine that'll last 4 months even in the harshest of conditions. And we have it in 4 convenient sizes, 10 ounce, 16 ounce, 32 ounce, and 1 gallon. Most of the boatyards, marinas, and detailers use Gary's Royal Satin wax because it's a great wax, it's easy on, easy off, and it lasts up to 4 months. So if you're looking for a good wax, I recommend Gary's Royal Satin Wax. And you can visit our website, www.marineengineparts.com.